Okay, moving to 28. So question A, Andy's age is 4x squared plus 10x years. His age is 2x times of Brandon's age. So you should know, if you are comparing your Andy and Brandon, Andy's age is 2 times of Brandon's, which means to get Andy's age, you will use 2x multiplied with Brandon's age. Okay, because this is 2 times of his age lah, right? Then Chong's age is x minus 1 times of Brandon. So for Chong, it is actually x minus 1 multiplied with the Brandon's one. Okay, and Andy is the oldest among them. How old is Chong? So from here, again, in order for you to get your B, you can utilize this formula, right? Basically, if you were to encounter any unknown values with a lot of complicated information, you can try to simplify by drafting all the related information by the side first, right? So if A equals to 2x multiply B, your B is actually A over 2x. This is something that you can make up, right? And basically your A is this part. You can just slot into your unknown A, and you can probably do some adjustment. Or over here is actually your factorization, right? So to get your B, you are using A over 2x, which means you are using 4x squared plus 10x over 2x. And from here, you can actually know 4x squared plus 10x. You can factorize by using 2x straight away. Okay, so 2x, factorizing your 2x from your 4x squared plus 10x, you will get 2x plus 5. Then over 2x. And from here, you can actually see 2x and 2x you can eliminate. And your B basically is 2x plus 5. This is the Brandon's age, right? And the question is asking you on Chong's age. So Chong is x minus 1 multiplied with your B. So from here, Chong's age, you will just use x minus 1 multiplied with 2x plus 5. And you can just expand it, right? Expand 4 times, you will get a 2x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 5. And do your simplification in the middle part. You have 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 years old. That's it. Okay, and you are looking for the difference in ages between Andy and Chong. So again, this is Andy's age, this is Chong's age, and you know that Andy is the oldest. So basically you need to use A minus C lah, right? So A minus C, you have 4x squared plus 10x minus, remember to put your bracket, because the subtraction sign, it will impact everything behind, right? So you have 2x squared plus 3x minus 5, and you will have 4x squared plus 10x minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Okay, and continue to perform your simplification. You will have 2x squared, then 10x minus 3x, you will have a 7x, then plus 5 years old. That's it. Okay, for your part 2. Right, so for your part B, complete the table of values below for the function. So this is just to do some basic substitution of your x value, which means here, to get your corresponding y value, right? So to get this part, you will just use y equals to 1 squared plus 18. You will get 19. Right? Then for 4, you will have y equals to 4 squared plus 18. Then you have 16 plus 18 equals to 34. So these are the answers for your part 1. Alright, so this is the graph answer for your question 28B. First of all, you need to remember which one is your x-axis, which one is your y-axis. So over here, you can actually see this is your x, this is your y. And based on the question is telling you the scale for x is 2 cm to 1 unit, and for the y-axis is 2 cm to 5 units. So over here, you have to make sure every single item is labeled correctly based on the scale needed, right? And more importantly, you need to remember your x, your origin, which is the 0, and also your y have to be labeled as well, right? Then from here, you can just plot the x and y coordination based on the table that you have already prepared. These are all the coordinations. And from here, since your graph or your function is a square, you know this is a curve, right? This is a curve, it is not a straight line graph. So from here, you need to make sure you use freehand to connect all the points together. And finally, you have to label the graph with the proper functions given over here.